Today I'm going to show you how to make a Google Calendar invite. You need to do this when you need to see another teacher during Nucleus. So for example, if you need to see me for a retake, you will send this invite to me and to your Nucleus teacher. That way your Nucleus teacher knows that you won't be in there and that you'll be with me and I know that you're coming. So you're going to click on the tic-tac-toe board here and you're going to click on calendar. That'll take you to your calendar. Mine is shown in the month view, so I can see the whole month of September. You can also see yours might look like this. It might look like the week view, or it might look like the day view. I want you to set it to the month. So you're going to click up here, hit month, say that you wanted to come see me on Wednesday to do a retake. You're going to click on Wednesday, and it'll make an event pop up, and then hit more options. And then you'll click here and you'll type whatever, C Senora C for retake, okay? You don't want to have it do all day. You want to set the actual time. So if you're going to come see me during Nucleus, if you're a freshman or a junior, you have first Nucleus, you would put 12:15 p.m. If you are a sophomore or a senior, you'd put 12:45. And then the important thing is you need to add guests here. So you would type in my name, and my email would pop up. It's not going to do it on this video because this is my account. And then you're going to type in your Nucleus teacher, okay? So say that your Nucleus teacher is Mr. Brown. So you would click there, and then you're going to hit save, and I'm just going to put an example so Mr. Brown knows this isn't a real event. And then you're going to hit save. And it says, would you like to send invitations emails to Google Calendar guests? You're going to hit send. That way your teachers will get an email and they'll say, oh, okay, so-and-so is not going to be in my Nucleus. They're going to be in Senora C's room. So they saw it. Just in case they don't look at their calendar, it'll be in their email. Okay. So I just sent that fake thing to Mr. Brown. And if you come back here, you can see that your event's here. If you have Google Calendar on your phone, it'll actually send you a little reminder 10 minutes before. Okay, so that is how you make an invite, and that's what you need to do when you need to do retakes in my class and in every class.